Our professor, Allison MacKenzie, she brought us this opportunity to introduce a new brand of coffee to Centennial College here at the local cafe. So the objective of the project was to bring awareness to the water crisis that the Indigenous communities are facing here in Canada. And Birch Bark Coffee is a social enterprise that's main objective is actually to highlight the issue, and at the same time, part of the proceeds from the sale of each coffee bag goes towards providing a water filtration system for Indigenous homes who are affected by the water crisis.
Birch Bark Coffee is really a grassroots organization and initiative that was founded by Mark Marsolet, and he is from the Manitoulin Island First Nation. As any Canadian should, he views the boil water advisory crisis across Canada as something that needs immediate attention. So Birch Bark is trying to solve the problem one household at a time. I thought that was a great match with Centennial College's commitment to Indigenization. And it wasn't until I encountered Alex and Jess that I thought, oh, these two could work together and do a really great job to bring justice to the cause.
When I was approached to do a typical work integrated learning placement, I was unable to do so, especially as I work so far away. Most of the positions were offered here in the city. And so I really needed something I could do remotely while still working at the same time. So Allison had come up with this special project that she'd had in the works for quite a while. And when she approached me about this project, bringing awareness to the Indigenous water crisis and Birch Bark Coffee, I was really honored to be asked to do something that was different, off the cusp, and kind of experimental. It gave me an opportunity to take my other skills and my other experience already in the hospitality industry and grow those and be able to take all of those different aspects and put them together into a project management position. Getting to have a project management experience on a resume is a really cool and rare thing moving forward from what I've been used to in the industry.
You know, the local is a learning institution. Shannon really was there every step of the way.
The local, because we're a learning enterprise, we're a not-for-profit business operating within the School of Hospitality to provide learning experiences for our students. I think it's one thing for students to do a project and research a company and learn all about it, but for them to actually have that ability to then have an employer partner, have a business partner to say, yes, let's test this out in a live environment, let's bring in the product, let's get hands-on with it, let's have consumers taste it. But I think the format of this research kind of project and the way it's integrated with the local as a business operation, we could go in a lot of different directions with this and really, I think, build some great vendor relationships through this all as well.
So at the local cafe, the coffee has been well received. There is a campus-wide gossip now about the fact that they are selling Birch Bark coffee at the local. Even today, when we set up our event, it was well received amongst all the staff and the passerbyers, and everyone came by saying, yeah, I heard about this coffee and I would love to taste it. And quite a few of them have highlighted the fact that they have purchased cups a few times from the local. It's amazing to be able to do something that will make an impact and make a difference. Corporate social responsibility is an important initiative that many corporations are adopting and should have. And to put this on my resume, it really highlights the fact that I can do more and that I care, and that I think makes us more attractive to an employer.